Hi everyone, I'm Eva from Hana Crochet Design. In today's video, I would like to share with you how I made this Chinese New Year craft with my Cricut Maker. One of my favorite Cricut tool is this foil transfer tool, and in today's video, I'm gonna use it to elevate our Chinese New Year crafts with a bit of shimmer and shine. This project is available in Cricut Design Space. So head over to my profile, Hana Crochet Design. I will put the link in the description box below. Click on the shared projects and choose Chinese New Year decoration. Click on customize if you would like to change the size. Once you're done with the setting, click make. These files will be cut on two different mats. I'm gonna change the material size to 30.5 by 30.5 cm for both mats. Hit continue. On the next page, choose medium cardstock for the material and default for the pressure. Load the bolt foil transfer tool in Clampy and tape the red foil sheet on the base material. Once this step is done, remove the foil sheet without unloading your mat. Remove the foil transfer tool in Clampy and change to premium fine point blade to cut the template. Back to Cricut Design Space, and we're gonna cut this dragon image on adhesive foil. Choose default for the pressure and you can load your mat. And make sure the fine point blade tool is in Clampy before you start cutting. Then with the weeding tool, I'm gonna remove the unwanted part around my design. Once you're done with this step, take your transfer tape, carefully apply it over your cut vinyl, making sure it covers the entire design. Use a scraper tool to smooth the transfer tape onto the vinyl, and then slowly peel off the backing of the vinyl. Next, I'm gonna attach this tassel with the jump rings. I currently don't have stock for larger jump rings, so I'm just gonna use these two smaller jump rings to attach the tassel onto my craft. Punch a hole at the top part of your project, thread the string through the hole and tie it. You can use this as a gift tag or hang it on a branch as a home decor. There you have it. Our Chinese New Year's craft is complete, and I really hope you enjoy crafting along with me today. If you tried this project or have any questions, let me know in the comments below. For more behind the scenes and craft inspiration, make sure to follow me on Instagram, Hana Crochet Design. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, and happy crafting!